If, like me, you're planning on heading to a protest in the next few days, please make sure you listen to this all the way through. Here are tips and tricks to keep you safe before, during, and after a protest. Make sure you follow me, make sure you save this video, because these are really important points that you should all keep in mind. I'm Eliza Orlins, career public defender for 15 years in Manhattan, and here are the things that the cops don't want you to know. Number one, your phone is a surveillance device. The best thing you can do is bring a clean phone, a burner device, one that does not have all of your data on it. Ideally something prepaid and never before used. But if you're going to bring your regular phone, well, disable Bluetooth, disable Wi-Fi, put it on airplane mode, and make sure you turn off biometric opening of your phone. So that's fingerprint or Face ID. Only use an alphanumeric passcode. Don't use something very simple like just a 4-digit number. A long, complicated password is the best thing you can possibly do. Also, remember, you do not have to open your phone for cops. Even if they ask you to, say, I do not consent to the search of my phone, ask for a lawyer. Do not ever open your phone voluntarily. Also, make sure you're using Signal or some other end-to-end encrypted messaging platform. Back your phone up before you go in case it gets stolen, lost, or confiscated so you can wipe it remotely. Number two, getting there. Cops can track your ride. License plate readers are everywhere, and especially if you use EasyPass or some other automated toll payment function. If you can, walk, bike, or use cash to pay for your method of transportation to get there. 3, what to bring with you. My recommendation is to look up the local National Lawyers Guild, NLG, in your area and write their number in Sharpie on your arm. You may not have access to your phone if for some reason you are arrested, so having a phone number that you can call a lawyer would be very helpful, and or a family member who can reach out to them on your behalf. Avoid wearing distinctive clothing or showing any distinctive tattoos. Oftentimes people are identified at protests based on what they were wearing and not in fact based on their faces. 4, while you are protesting, you have the right to film the police as long as you are not interfering or obstructing their duties. There are apps like Mobile Justice or Proof Mode that help you record safely. 5, during and after the protest, do not post photos that include people's faces. Police use facial recognition technology as well as tracking metadata to place people there, so you could be placing someone in jeopardy by posting a photograph of them at a protest. Be very careful about leaving trash behind at a protest that contains your DNA. So if you are eating or drinking something, take it with you. Do not leave trash behind because that sometimes gets collected and the DNA can be put into a database. 6, if you are arrested, if you take one thing away from this, know that the very most important thing that I am saying in this entire video is don't talk to the cops. Don't say a word. Just say, I'd like to remain silent. I want to speak to my lawyer. And then shut up. Don't say anything. Just don't say a word, not another word except for your name, date of birth, identifying information that they require. But do not say a word, not just to the cops, but in front of them. Don't talk to other people in custody. Don't say anything on a phone call once you're in custody. All of that can and will be used against you. But listen, I say all of this just so you can know how to protect yourself, but not in any way to dissuade you from protesting. Protesting is a fundamental right in this country. It is protected by the First Amendment, and I hope to see all of you out there. Protect yourself, protect others, and make sure you're following me for more Know Your Rights content.